Put your
Put it in
down.
the cup holder.
Put it back where it goes.
What's in there?
Where'd it go?
Looks tired.
Not much left. But you're eating, so. Thank you. Look this way. Put it on the tray if you don't want it. Good boy. Are you done? Are you ready for a bath? Uh-oh. That went on the floor. And you
Hey,
found
Dan.
puddles of...
Hey.
Look at Daddy. So Daddy, you had chicken nuggets and fries for dinner with ranch, and I made a mess.
Hey. What's on your mouth? Aiden.
Want another French fry?
Is that good?
Here, give it to Grandma.
Hey, put it right here.
Give it to me. Thank you.
You don't throw it. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Little kisses?
Dirty hands.
Little kisses. Little kisses to Daddy. You ready?